Hi guys, Jai Hind, Jai Bharat, Jai Mata. You have recently done your BTech or you're doing your BTech in electrical engineering, electronics engineering, electrical and electronics engineering, electronics and telecommunications engineering, electronics and instrumentation engineering or equivalent, or you have done and you have done your 10th or 12th with 50% in English, more than that. You have done your PCM in 12th with whatever percentage it is, or rather than BTech, you have done your diploma, 3 years diploma 60% or 4-year degree from these branches along including with lateral entry or so with 50% marks in any of these branches. Your age is less than 35 years, but remember different colleges and companies have got different criteria. Your eye vision is 6/12 in both eyes or 6/9 in better eye and 6/18 in another eye. No color blindness, you can join merchant navy as an electrical officer. Now this is the first part, looks hanky panky. Let's go to the other part, which is the most important, because in the next part you are going to find one stop solution to all your queries. Search Merchant Navy Decoded, go to Merchant Navy Decoded website, go to start as a beginner out here, go to free course, go to after electrical engineering course out here. Now this is one course where you will find all the information. Isko come karo. ETO general guidance, top ETO colleges, companies, how to fill forms, everything. Exam pattern for different colleges, interview pattern for different colleges, mock interviews of ETOs. Everything is given out here, guys. What are you waiting for? Isn't it amazing? So this course will give you everything that you need to know from when your career is starting as a BTech from electrical engineering to conversion into a ETO guy, and then what will be your salary package and everything out here. It's a 4-month course. Along with that, 8 months you need to do onboardship where you will be earning salary as well. Last but not the least, once you do that, you will give an exam, DD shipping exam, one oral, one written, then you'll get ETO COC, that is competency certificate, and then after that you will become a full-fledged ETO onboardship. बहुत सारी queries हैं, सारे आंसर फुल उसके साथ जनरल गाइडेंस के अंदर आपको मिल जाएंगे यहाँ पे. Copied? So let's go up above. Okay, now let's go to best colleges. Let's click on the ETO section. So these are the top colleges. Repeat behind me. I will not join Merchant Navy as a ETO without sponsorship. I will not join Merchant Navy as a ETO without sponsorship. And that is where Merchant Navy Decoded comes into play. This is your highly recommended Anglo-Indian Maritime College, Solani Maritime Institute. MSc is the company. You need sponsorship. Maersk sponsorship. Seven Islands own company, they give sponsorship. And you have got other colleges as well, like Great Eastern, SCI, colleges like IMI, Samudra Institute of Maritime Studies. बहुत सारी companies, guys, they come and they might send you to XYZ colleges, but going with sponsorship is very important. Copied, guys? And that is where we will help you. So third part is best colleges जान लिए. Then now we need to know eligibility calculator. So when you come out here, you select your course as ETO. Fill the details, whether you have done your 12th or diploma, XYZ, everything out here. You will fill your BTech details, everything, and this calculator will calculate and tell you which all colleges and companies you are eligible for. Remember, I told you maximum is 35, but not all colleges and companies take that. Anglo-Indian at 28, Great Eastern at 26, and so many others. And most importantly, this is where you will get to know which all companies and colleges you are eligible for. Very, very important. Fourth is medical. You remember, guys? Most of you, sometimes you ask, अरे भैया मेरी eyesight 6/12 है, can I join Merchant Navy? Say you put ETO eyesight space डालो. Yeah, eyesight requirement for Merchant Navy. Okay, so इसके अंदर आ गया for deck department, for engine department, for galley department. So guys, this 6/6, 6/12, 6/18 लिखा तो है, but your eyesight, you can get your LASIK done for this. So do not worry about that part. Copied. Second thing is you can go to any doctor and confirm कि भैया 6/12 क्या है, 6/18 क्या है, 6/6 क्या है, वो चिंता मत कीजिए. Second is, say you have got any query, back करो पीछे यार, इतनी जल्दी मत करो. Say you got any query which has not got answered, go to submit your query, fill this form in the beginner section. We will answer that query within 24 hours. Don't worry. Back कीजिए please. You have got your height and weight requirement. Click out here, fill this BMI calculator form. It will tell you whether you are eligible to join Merchant Navy as per your height and weight criteria or not. Next is, you want to check whether you're colorblind or not. Please come out here, click start doing this calculator. This is 15, next, 12, next, and most importantly I want to tell you that this color blindness you can go and get it checked from a nearby doctor, eye specialist, because color blindness cannot be confirmed through this calculator because this is on screen. Actually it's through a Ishihara book. That's a separate book. Copied, guys? But anyways, if you want to find a DG approved doctor in your city, go to G Doctor Finder and search out here. Say you search say Ayodhya. So अयोध्या के अंदर whatever doctors are there, apply filter, you will find okay अयोध्या में डॉक्टर है. Say now you search a city called in Jalandhar, Jalan. Oh, there is no Jalandhar, but Jalandhar is in Punjab. I'll search Punjab. पंजाब के अंदर ऑल सिटीज़ की जगह है पुट जलंधर के बगल में लुधियाना है पुट एंड दिस इज लुधियाना में एक डॉक्टर है, डॉक्टर विजेंद्र सिंह. इजंट इट अमेजिंग? नेक्स्ट गो टू नेक्स्ट थिंग. तो डी डॉक्टर फाइंडर मिल गया. गो एंड गेट योर मेडिकल टेस्ट आउट हियर. फाइन. नेक्स्ट इज मेडिकल टेस्ट FAQs. इसके अंदर आपको आई सेट में कुछ रिक्वायरमेंट है. गो क्लिक आउट हेयर. 6x6 आई सेट रिक्वायरमेंट कितनी है, ये चीज़ है. इसमें एक चीज़ मिसिंग है. इफ़ योर आई सेट इज नॉट अप टू डेट यू कैन गो फॉर लेजिक सर्जरी एज वेल. डू नॉट वरी, ये हमने अपडेट नहीं करा, ये हमें अपडेट करना पड़ेगा. ऐसे में चीज़ समझ में आती है. यू कैन फाइंड ऑल द आंसर्स आउट हेयर. कॉपीड गाइज विद दिस. ये आपको क्लियर हो गया. लास्ट इज इफ यू आर ज्वाइनिंग एज ए ETO यू माइट हैव टू फिल अ लॉट ऑफ फॉर्म्स. सो डू नॉट मिस ज्वाइनिंग दिस ETO व्हाट्सएप चैनल वेयर यू विल फाइंड ऑल द डिटेल्स out here कि भैया latest forms, last dates, when to fill, how to fill, everything out here. So what are you waiting for? Immediately join this and very soon we are launching our own app as well. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat, Jai Mata Di. Take care. Bye.